Vlogging 101. Okay, I'm vlogging right now. So I just placed in the Rode Video Mic Pro. That way I can vlog. So what do we have here for vlogging? I'm using the 70D right now. And this is the 6D Mark II. I have an old Video Mic Pro, which is old. I have another Video Mic Pro here, which is new. You can definitely check on the hair. This one looks like, I don't know what happened to it. This has been to New Zealand, up the mountains, everywhere. This one's been in my bag. So I have a separate recorder in case it's very noisy. And I have this lavalier microphone. Okay, it's hard to vlog in one hand. So it's a smart lav for the phones, and I have an adapter here so that I can use it for the microphone or here. So that's it. I just witnessed the Game of Thrones leaked video, and booyah! I'm not gonna tell anyone because they're gonna hate me. So as what I've shown you earlier, this is the old Video Mic Pro. It has a broken right coat thingy. I forgot the name. And this is the new one. You can see the hair. This one looks like it's on a bad hair day. This one's pretty good. So both of them are good microphones. I'm using the Video Mic Pro over there. No, Video Mic Pro over there. I have this lavalier mic in case I need to take a video myself. It's close. I have this Sony recorder, USB 2. Like, you can transfer it anywhere you want. Like, you don't need to transfer the memory card and do a lot of those. Yeah. And what I'm here to talk about is 6D Mark II and my frustrations. I like the camera. I have not disliked it, or I have not. But the thing is, there are some frustrations that I want to talk about, and it starts with the lenses. Like the lenses I can put in this camera, I want to use wide lenses, quite wide lenses. So most of the times the lenses that I can put here is just like the 1740. You can hear. It's not making a sound, but it makes some sounds when it's recording, like when it's focusing. I don't know if you can hear it. But yeah, it creates sounds when you're recording. I love to put in an STM lens on this, just like what I'm using on the 70D, which is this 10-18 STM lens, which is so quiet, so smooth. But the only thing for full frame is just the 40mm 2.8, which is not the wide lens, and it might be a bit far when I'm going to record using it. 24mm would be good, but it's no quite. I don't know, I haven't tried it 24 1.4, and they're so expensive. I don't want to bring them all the field and record anything, so I must rather have this all beaten up 1740, which is wide lens. I can use it for shooting also. The reason I want to have the 6D is that I want to also do some photos all in one. Take photos, vlog, and I can see myself on this articulating screen. So the 5D Mark IV is good, so is the 1DX Mark II, but the thing is, yeah, I can't see myself, so I like this screen here. The only other frustration that I have for the 6D Mark II is the video file. You can see here, I'm gonna put it closer and try to focus it. So if you can see here, okay, there it is. You have 23 frames, which is 24 frames, but it's in IPB standard. I don't know if you can see clearly. And if you go to the 30 frames, it's still IPB light and IPB standard. So they're having the IPB as the frame rates. Oh shoot, what did I just do? Okay, so they're having the IPB as the frame rates, which is not all eye. The 70D that I have here has a 24 frame all eye recording. This one has an IPB. You know what IPB means? I forgot, but it means that it's not full-on recording every line. It's like skipping some lines and recording it. It's not full quality. It has 60 frames here, full HD. HD, we say H here in Australia. It's still standard IPB. It's not all eye. So I keep on looking for the all eye. It is not there. People are complaining this doesn't have 4K. The hell, I don't use 4K, so I'm okay with it. I'm okay with full HD 1080p. Problem is, it's not all eye. Like, it's not full on. It's like IPB, like just lines. They're skipping some lines in recording, and I don't like it. My 70D or the 80D has an all eye. I wonder why Canon's having it this way. It's quite frustrating. But that doesn't mean I don't like the camera. I still like the camera. I like the feel. I like the weight. I still love it. Just frustrated. So if you have any more questions, if you want to ask anything about the 6D, drop a comment below. I'll try to answer. And if you have any questions about Game of Thrones, I have not watched it. I'm still with season 1, but I just saw the leak video, the leak episode, and you know what?